This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 371RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, smoke detector, oven, external shower, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 371RK is 10,264 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.